Welcome back to Styles Garage. Hi guys, this will be a quick video on how to repair a Yukon GMC Denali heating element. This is the driver's side, and for $99 and $2,000, they are not separate units. You have to buy the whole pad with the seat cover. I'll show you in a minute what I'm talking about. So quickly, you take this track off. These are 4 15mm bolts that hold this track to the floor of the car. And once you take that off, you can take these 4 bolts that go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and those are 10mm. The 15s go here. And that comes right off, and you just gotta pop a couple of these clips off this harness. Now we tested power and the relay clicks, so we know we got power to the relay. Okay, now to test this, you need to have continuity between the 2 yellow wires. They turn into the 2 blue wires here. You set your multimeter to ohms, and just put the 2 prongs there. And if you don't have continuity, that means the heating element is bad somewhere. And if you go over here, you always go underneath the seat. These are the 2 yellow wires that you have to have continuity between. The next thing that we did was, these are hog rings over here, and these we took off with this clip remover, seat clip remover. And also there were these clips over here. You can just pull them up and pull them to the side. And one more thing, there's a Phillips head bolt here. You have to take this lever off to pop this over, and that's pretty much it. So once you do that, this cover pops off, and this is what it looks like. And these are velcroed on here, these are velcroed on here. So move this over, and you have to cut this over here to get to this heating element here. And as you can see here, this is burnt right there. That's the issue of this one. So we're going to cut this and join these 2 wires together. And this is sewn, this is actually sewn in here, so you can just cut a little bit of this foam and get into it in there. And this is what I'm talking about. Other year Denalis, they actually sell the pad. You can just replace the pad. This one you have to actually repair it. So we can go ahead and repair that now. So we're just going to cut it here. Strip it. Alright, now we're going to twist these wires together. Dip it in flux. Now we're going to use a soldering gun with some solder. Perfect. And we're good. And now the blue wires should have continuity. And it's good. Alright, now I'm going to put some electrical tape around this piece.
Your hands are very cold. Oh, you have cold hands.
I'm working with a bunch of complainers. Repair complete. Alright, so we're good. We put some tape here. Make sure you space it out the way it was. And we're good to go. Also, one thing I want to mention is make sure when you cut this, you don't cut too far down, or else you're going to cut the seat. You could pinch it and pull it up and cut it slowly and just pull it out like that. Okay, so we're pretty much done. We hot glued these wires back in place. They used glue to begin with over there, so we just did the same thing. Now we're just going to cover this and put some duct tape over this rip over here. And a piece of duct tape here to hold this down. And you're good. You can start putting the seat back together. And that's it. And so is that. And now put the hog rings in.
and I'm do the rest.
Alright, so we're pretty much done here. We put the track back on, real easy. 4 10mm bolts. What you want to do when you take this off, you can put an X here on this bracket and an X over here. So when you put it back on, you make sure you're in the same spot. So everything's done, all the clips are back in. Make sure when you put it back on, you plug this in. And also make sure you plug this in that goes into the heating element. And you go double check this, make sure the 2 yellow wires have continuity. We just did and it's good. And we're pretty much done. So thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, like me, share me, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, Cloudy1969. Toodles!